Well, you're right. You're back to where you started. But I was the first to believe in you. And I have watched you doubt whether you're worthy ever since. But you know what? I am the person I am today because of you. I never told you that, but it's true. You are the bravest, most stubborn, most determined knucklehead I know. Toothless didn't give you that hiccup. He just made it
easier.
And now it's gonna be a lot harder. So, what are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
That's the hiccup I know.
Suit up, gang. We're going to get them back.